It's been a couple of days since Polar Street X quietly appeared in official FCC and RF certification documents, and this isn't just another early rumor. This looks like a smartwatch that's almost ready to go public. It's listed with the FCC under ID INW6J. Not just that, the confidentiality request is dated December 15th, 2025. In that letter, Polar asks for short-term confidentiality on things like external photos, internal photos, user manual, and test setup images until the actual marketing of our new device, which is listed as March 26th. Now, the year in the document says 2025, but that has to be a typo because the letter itself is from December 2025. So realistically, we're looking at March 26, 2026, and companies only request short-term confidentiality like that when the hardware is finished, marketing assets are ready, launch timing is locked internally. That's not early development behavior, that's pre-announcement behavior. Then we look at the RF test report. The hardware version is already deep into final validation stages. The software listed is version 5.0.9, which suggests the device is already running stable validation firmware, at least enough for certification testing. Multiple DUT units were tested, including conducted and radiated RF. Bluetooth LE1 megabit per second and 2 megabit per second confirmed over the standard 2.4 gigahertz band, output power tuned at 2.5 decibels milliwatt, operating voltage 3.85 volts, which tells us it's running a standard single-cell Li-ion battery. Now let's talk about what the hardware details quietly reveal. There's Bluetooth low energy, there's no Wi-Fi listed, no LTE, and while GNSS bands aren't mentioned here, they could appear in a separate filing, but based on what we're seeing right now, this doesn't look like a high-end expedition-focused watch. It looks more like a phone-connected smartwatch optimized for battery life and everyday wear. The antenna gain is modest at minus 3.3 decibels relative to an isotropic antenna, and output power is conservative. That usually means efficiency over long-range connectivity. And the operating distance is listed as less than 5 millimeters from the body, which confirms this is meant for constant wrist contact, so 24/7 tracking is almost guaranteed. Putting it all together, this feels like a mid-range smartwatch positioned for everyday fitness users. The street branding fits that idea too. Urban, lifestyle-focused, not ultra-endurance niche. The certification trail suggests launch isn't far away, but key details like specs, pricing, and positioning are still under wraps, and if Polar sticks to that timeline, we're likely just weeks away from the official announcement. That's all we know about the Polar Street X for now, but with everything lining up the way it is, the official reveal shouldn't be too far away. I'll update you the moment something new drops. Peace.